Let's start measuring from this corner. Hold it right there. Hold it steady on that side. Lower it down. Tie it up right here. Pull it up, pull it up. Perfect, keep them coming. Pull it up, pull it up. Perfect, keep them coming. Let's put the main bamboo bench right over here by the railing. That looks like a perfect spot. This property is now complete. It looks absolutely perfect. We did a great job on this house.
It really looks beautiful.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.